Go to the Davao Eagles. This first quarter hatid sa inyo ng J Project Loading Shop. Pellegrino, quick release. Rebound, and the first rebound for Ion Braga. And NCR needing the services of Ion Braga tonight.
Not the best shot there para kay Maki Pellegrino with a hand on his face, and a defender just took it all the way. Hindi yun papasok.
Ion Braga battling Baterbon.
Hindi sanay si Rene Baterbonia being out.
In the quarterfinals, having some struggles from the free throw line. So itong NCR breaking the ice in the semifinals. Bayenting dancing against a bigger Cisco Rockid. Now this time playing against a bigger Ion Braga. Cayetano. 3 is missed. And here comes De Los Reyes with the rebound. Here comes Rockid, one of the underrated stars for the Metro Stars. He drives. Braga could not secure the rebound at bola mapunta kang Maki Pellegrino. One of the top young stars of the Davao Eagles. Pellegrino on the penetration. Sanoria with a big offensive rebound. Cayetano. And here comes Cisco Rockid. So neither team has scored their first field goal in the semifinals. Braga with a catch against Baterbonia. Puts it up and misses. And there's a big boy rebound from Nene Baterbonia. Bayenting trying to lead the break. Looks to break down the defense. Baterbonia kontra kang Braga. Inside! And the first basket of the game for Rene Baterbonia.
And Rene Baterbonia really battling and sizing up Braga down low. The MVP finds a way to score.
Baterbonia with a deep catch. Takes his time and draws the... And here comes Maki Pellegrino, goes on the run. So apologies for some technical issues sa ating Facebook Live. But we play on. Here comes Pellegrino. That's Bayenting in trouble. Finds Sanoria. Pellegrino. Baterbonia from the corner. Way off from 3. And we go the other way. Here comes Rockid. Open look from Oraa. Knocks down the 3.
Itong NCR, they're really very good in running and gunning down the floor. They're very good on those knockdown shots, those catch and shoots, those transition play. Lahat dito sa NCR nakakatira sa labas. So Davao really has to take care or take a look at of that.
Pellegrino looks to find the answer. Shot was blocked from behind from Oraa, but Sanoria takes it right back. Bayenting. 3 is missed. Another rebound. Babalik ang Cayetano. That's a 3! Big time shot to start the game for Matt Cayetano.
Big answer right there for Mr. Matt. Nothing but net. Quickly answers back on the three-pointer ng NCR.
Miko Abiliar for the answer. Overcooks that one. That's Cisco Rockid. One of the underrated stars for the NCRs. And misses the first free throw.
Down threes and the dribble drive offense. Davao should look at that, na kailangan nilang makontain ang ganong game style ng NCR.
Pasok yan yung pangalawang free throw from Cisco Rockid. And we're now tied at 6. 6:30 remaining in this opening quarter. Capacity crowd on hand dito po sa Agusan del Sur. Maki Pellegrino got slipped almost. Balik ang Rices Bayenting with 7 to shoot. The entry pass to Paul Estardante. The hook shot using the left hand.
Good recognition there by Rices Bayenting. He saw that Estandarte was on position to score on that low block. Estandarte took him to school on that shot.
Oraa against 2 defenders, misses the outside shot. Here comes Maki Pellegrino, looks to run the break. No look pass. Balik ang Bayenting. Here comes Maki Pellegrino. Now tightly guarded by De Los Reyes. He'll try a 3. High looper comes up empty. Rebound fought for. Another tie-up. It looks like possession arrow will go. Estardante pops out. kontra kang Ion Braga. Estardante nakahanap ng diskarte pero natawagan siya ng traveling violation.
Makabawi mo lang sa foul troubles ni Rene Baterbonia.
Here comes NCR into the hands of Rockid. Directing traffic inside to Braga. Got bothered by Estardante. Tipped away. De Los Reyes able to recover. Another offensive rebound. Abeliar with 10 to shoot. Knocked loose. And
Inside the paint.
here comes Maki Pellegrino running down the court. The hesitation and misses the shot. And there's good luck Okibata with the rebound. Pascual may tangan na bola. Swings it over to Rockid. Off the hesitation. Batting against Cayetano. Pascual. Also a reliable three-point shooter. Rockid will try. Off the front iron. Maki Pellegrino races down the court. That's wide open from Maki Pellegrino. Poor transition defense from NCR.
Low by move there by Maki Pellegrino against good luck Okebata and no one for NCR to cover him inside the paint.
A 10-6 lead rather for the Davao Eagles. Rockid to the corner. Pascual rimming out. Okebata muscling his way. Balik sa labas kang Braga. Abeliar open look for three. Rebound. Great athletic play from Rockid and scores.
This is where you miss Rene Baterbonia inside the court. Rene Baterbonia, you know na he wants to get those rebounds, but this time Paul Estandarte, James Tanori, and Maki Pellegrino not really enough to get those defensive stops.
And Maki Pellegrino on the dribble drive move. Almost
Can say he's having a little bit of a slump to start this game, except that
of the 5-on-5 high school boys basketball tournament. Friendly roll on the second free throw.
for the first time para kay Coach Jess.
4-point lead for the Eagles. Good court spacing there. 3-point attempt. Look at that athletic rebound from Maki Pellegrino. Forward pass to Sanoria. Good catch there. Pellegrino. Feet set. 3 is missed. And rebound mapunta kang Cisco Rockid. Fast break coming for Pascual. Thomas Cruz lost it. And he gets it right back. Still has plenty of time on the shot clock for the Metro Stars. Rockid challenging Estardante. And Sanoria with a great hustle.
Rely on him.